The Flex feature allows you to bend, twist, taper, or stretch a model. However, you can only do one of these at a time. If you wish to perform two or more of Flex features, you have to apply them individually. In this lesson, we'll modify this part by applying both tapering and stretching. I'll begin by launching the Flex feature. Selecting the body I wish to deform, and choosing the tapering option in the Property Manager. Tapering is defined using taper factor in the Property Manager. A positive taper factor will cause the part to get larger along the direction of the blue axis, while a negative value will cause the part to get smaller. For this example, I'll type in 0.2 and click Enter to update the preview. I'm also going to adjust trim plane 1 so it lies above the horizontal connector. To do this, I'll activate the reference entity field for plane 1 in the Property Manager and select this point. I also want to move trim plane 2 so it lies below the upper holes. I'll do this by manually dragging the plane downward. Finally, to ensure that the lower part of the model doesn't change, I'll right-click the triad and select Move to Plane. I'll click OK, and the Flex feature is complete. That takes care of the tapering. Now I'll use the Flex feature a second time to include stretching. I'll launch the Flex feature. Select the solid body and choose the stretching option in the Property Manager. The region I want to stretch is the horizontal connector. I only want to stretch the connector itself, so I'll use the reference entity selection windows of each plane and select the interior vertexes of the connector. Finally, I'll specify a stretch distance of 3 inches in the Property Manager and click OK to complete the Flex feature.